Welcome to Chapter 4, Financial Arithmetic. Today's lesson is a review of what we've covered mostly since Year 8 on percentages and applications. So today we are going to look at the first half of Chapter 4, beginning with discounts and markups. So when a price is decreased or discounted, or increased, which we call marked up, we can calculate the new price by either adding or subtracting, which you'll see here in this little plus minus, the percentage from the original. So on the screen now in the box, you see a new price equals 100 plus or minus R divided by 100. So this converts the increase or decrease percentage amount to a percentage, and then we multiply that by the original price. You have worked with this particular formula for at least the last 3 years, so it shouldn't be anything new. Okay, but it is there on the screen in case you should need it. We can rearrange that formula to either find the percentage change, R, which is given by the difference in cost and the original price, over the original price, and then we multiply that by 100 as a percentage. Or to find the original price, we multiply the new price by 100 and divide by 100 plus or minus R. So we've effectively flipped the original fraction when we've swapped the side for the new price versus original price. Please note that in both formulas you'll see a plus minus here in the original price and here in the new price formula. We use plus when we are marking up, so we're adding a percentage, and minus when we are discounting or taking away a percentage of the amount. We'll try it with an example. So what is the cost price of a $120 calculator after a 20% markup? So we are trying to calculate the cost price, also known as the original price, okay? So cost price or original price. The new price here is $120, and we need to multiply that. So we need to read the question carefully to figure out which one of these two equations we're going to use, or three if we're looking for the percentage change. Okay. The $120 is the new price. So I'm just going to underline that really quickly and write N underneath it for new, C for cost price or original, okay, and this here is our markup, so our rate. We then need to multiply that by 100 over 100. We're marking up, so this means we add the rate of 20%. You don't have to keep it in a bracket if you do not wish to. So that is the same as saying 120 times 100 over 120, okay. That's a nice and easy fraction multiplication, okay. That's the same as saying 120 over 1, so we can do this by hand. Cross-cancelling just gives us 100 or $100 because we are looking at price, so the answer should be in dollars. That is all there really is to it. So underline or make a note of which numbers match up to which of your pronumerals or which of your unknowns, and use that to then identify which formula you need, substitute and solve. A final note, which I'm not going to give an example for today, on GST. So the goods and services tax is an extra 10% added to the price of most goods or services. This is the same as marking up by 10%. To convert between cost with and without GST, there is a little flowchart here on the screen in the light blue box, so please make a note of that. If you had given a cost with GST, you need to divide by 1.1 to give the cost without GST and multiply by 1.1 to go the other way. Good luck with the work, guys, and as always, if you have any questions, let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.